If he wasn't on his phone, he might have been actually paying attention while he was changing lane. Sorry? In the summertime. Oh. Sorry? Good place to stop, well done. It's only a roundabout.
Hey, 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 Ruth, I don't mean to listen in, but these walls are paper thin, you know. Hey, 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 Ruth, I heard the fighting last night. He doesn't treat you right at all. So maybe you don't even know my name. Just open your eyes and I know you would feel the same way. Hey, 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 Ruth, the truth isn't always clear. It's so hard to see when you are near. Hey, 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 Ruth, wants to suck you dry. You're out of your luck, too blind to see. The way that he treats you is a crime, but don't let him hold you back this time. Oh, no, no. Probably can't read my mind, but why is it so hard to just leave him behind now? Hey, 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 Ruth, we all want to leave this high rise and move on to bluer skies, I know. So turn off that TV set, get on your feet again. Remember the times when you were free. Hey, 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 Ruth. Hey, Ruth. Hey, 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 Ruth.
Two scooter nods in a day. 2 in a day. It's amazing. Must be friendly folk around here. I keep seeing, we're going over these things. I mean, it doesn't look like a bridge from here, but it's actually a bridge over a little tunnel. And they're all pedestrian ones. Boo! I reckon they'd be cracking for tunnel revs.